internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you, and it is the January box. So it says Doki Doki Snow Festival. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. The Northern Hemisphere right now is in the depths of winter. Not the case in Australia. We are in summer right now. Oh, that is so cute. The face mask. I actually do use these face masks now, and I gave half of them to Violet so she could use them too. I usually just use regular face masks, but if I'm going out somewhere nice, then I like to use a bit more of a fancier face mask. So, ooh. Okay. I know I get a lot of comments around people saying that the thing they don't like about Kawaii Box is that they have a lot of cool accessories, but it's always themed around the Kawaii Box's character as opposed to licensed characters from Sanrio or Sanex and stuff like that. I totally understand what you mean, and I completely agree. It's still cute though, so I kind of just go with it, but totally understandable. So this looks like a little bento or a lunchbox in the Kawaii character. Oh, cool. It's is the term Russian dolls? It's like like a smaller container each time. That is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. I love the way it's stored. I am totally keeping this. You guys would have seen that we are currently renovating our house, and we need to buy, like, I've always just had a very small amount of kitchen utensils, and I've always like used other people's utensils. So now Tobias and I have a much larger kitchen that we can do many more things with. So I'm very excited to deck out the kitchen and get all the appliances we've always wanted, and containers is definitely a big one of those. And then we have a little plushie. I don't think this is an actual character. I think it's generic bunny. Potter User Ploppy. I don't know. Is that... I'm not sure if it's an actual character. It looks like this one is called Kanon-chan. I'm glad they gave me the blue one, even though the purple eyes... Okay, purple eyes look a little evil, but I love the blue one because blue is my favorite color. So I got the right one. But you can get all sorts of other colors. Purple, yellow, white, and pink. And then is this hand sanitizer? Okay, I don't think there's actual hand sanitizer in this, so you can probably fill it up on your own. But I remember I have one or two of these, like, very similar hand sanitizer holders, but I got them from Bath & Body Works years ago, and I still have them in my bag. The problem is the Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers, I feel, are very heavily fragranced, and I'm not a big fan of anything that has a very heavy fragrance to it, so I don't tend to use them. But this one, I guess I could just fill up with my normal Dettol, and then just carry that around. That is cute. Very on point with today's times. And then we have a keychain. It's like a bagel donut keychain. There we go. It looks so realistic. It looks so delicious on its own. It's funny, this morning I was chatting to Violet about a lot of the dessert places we used to go to in Japan, and how we're both really missing it, but we also realized that 2021 is probably, we don't think it's the year we'll go back to Japan, hopefully 2022 maybe, but it's so cute. Yeah. I think we're just a little more pessimistic about how fast things are going to track along. Oh, okay, these are little, they're hair clips, right? They're so tiny though. Tiny, tiny hair clips, but they're all food related. There's a Macca's one, a hamburger, and tacos. That is super cute. This kind of reminds me of the bunny from Line, that Japanese chat program. I use that all the time, and it kind of reminds me of that, but I don't think it is. I'm pretty sure it's more like just a random generic bunny. And then here, I think this is an eraser, an ice cream eraser. So it's like an icy pole, or fruit icy pole, and you pull this out and use it as a regular eraser. Oh, the wooden stick, the paddle pop stick goes all the way through. And I think I'd try put it back this way, because all these like drips act like jagged edges, and it would make it pretty hard. Alright, I am failing, but you get the idea. And then, what is this? I feel like this is candy or rock candy, potentially. So it has fruits in here, and I think this says Fruitsu Ramune? Ah, okay, it's like fizzy candy. So yeah, just little like hard candy. I don't know, you can kind of see they're like little circles, and they fizz. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it now because I don't want to eat it just yet, but fizzy candy. And then the last one are some stickers. Oh, this is so adorable. Sentimental Circus. I'm not sure this is a... Oh, it's Sanex. Okay. I do wish they had more like Sanex Sanrio characters. Even though I know it would be more expensive, but it would feel a little bit more worthwhile, I suppose. So that is everything in January's Kawaii Box. Let me know what you guys think. I always love hearing your feedback on each of the unboxings, and I can get a gauge on where I keep going and what people want to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.